Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is Biology JAMB 2017, and the question goes thus: which of the following is a characteristic of wind-pollinated flower? Many plants are pollinated by bees, birds, or even other animals. Okay, good. But not all flowering plants rely on all of these animals to carry pollen from one flower to another flower. Also noted is that approximately 20% of flowering plants are wind pollinated, and wind pollinated plants don't depend on the ability to attract birds, bees, or even other animals. As a result, their flowers tend to be small in size, drab, unscented, and even inconspicuous. Okay, so now let us go to the given answer options. Option A: flowers lack nectar. Excellent. If flowers has nectar, it will attract birds and even insects, but since it doesn't rely on other organisms to carry pollen from flower to flower, it lacks nectar. So this answer option seems to be the correct answer. But let us just go through the other answer option. Option B says flowers are conspicuous. Flowers are inconspicuous. Okay, so this is incorrect. Option C: flowers have parents. Flowers of wind-pollinated plants don't have parents. Okay, good. Option D: flowers are bisexual. Flowers of wind-pollinated plants are not bisexual. So the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.